Again, I wanted to explain you what's in this mind map. Okay, in Catalan it's called un mapa conceptual. Good. So it can help you write the English project. Okay. So apart from some sentences to help you, like for example, when we want to describe someone physically, we say he or she is tall, short, fat, thin, or she is not, or she isn't tall, fat. He or she has got long hair, whatever. She or he likes sports, pizza, or loves pizza, or she doesn't like sports or pizza. He or she can play the piano, or she can't. Play the piano. Then this part here, she or he is good at English, or he is not good at music. He or she, for example, he studies English and she doesn't study music. And finally, when we want to talk about the clothes, okay, she is wearing a red jumper and she's not wearing a blue jumper because it's red, okay? So apart from that, what I did is to link some vocabulary. So when you click here, this arrow, see, you go to an external link, okay, with some vocabulary, okay? So you get to see the vocabulary here. Yeah, let's go back here. Here you've got another one. You've got two here, okay? Here you've got a video. Good, very interesting one. And here you've got another one. But likes, dislikes, how do we say that? Yep. Then here we've got another one, which is a video with the explanation. Yep. Yep. And here you've got some vocabulary with school subjects, okay? Here you've got another one. With a nut. This was a nut, sorry. Okay. Okay, so here they explaining how it works. This is maybe a little bit difficult, but you can do it, of course. Yeah. And this is some clothes vocabulary. Okay. So where can you find this? I'll show you. When you click at the worksheet, okay, you've got a link here. And here, yes, and everywhere, yes. So you just click here anywhere and you go to this mind map, you full map, yep, and you get here. So you can access all of this information, okay? Good. Bye.